request Dr. Pandey to please address a few words to the distinguished gathering. Sir.
Ma'am, learned parents, member of staff, and my dear students. I welcome you all here to witness a spectacular show that would be put up by the Tiny Tots, and you will witness the graduation of a child from prep to class 1. I personally think that there is no need to let you know as to what are the spheres in which the school has been making the progress, because it's evident. Wherever you have a look, one can easily work it out that what amount of effort is being put in. But to be on record, few things I would like to share with you. Already we have started running our senior wing, where from class 7 onwards, all the kids will be having the education. I do have the privilege of announcing the 4 sections of class 11th we have all thought of starting from this coming session. 4 sections of class 11th, 2 of sciences, 2 of commerce, and 2 sections already of class 12th, which is going on, that will start from 5th of April. We have certain additions in the name of extracurricular activities like snooker, billiards, and right in front that many of you must have thought as to what happened to these green grasses. So let me tell you, we are coming up with the international standards as far as the cricket is concerned, lawn tennis is concerned, and other sports, whatever we are having, we are going to add it up to the international standard. Recently, we have purchased 2 American horses for my kids. And we are all planned to start with various academies. And these academies will be in the field of cricket, football, horse riding, lawn tennis, etc. In fact, we'll have an academy for each discipline as far as sports is concerned. I feel proud to let you all know that our students are not flagging high only in the field of extracurricular. They have been giving a good account of them being and shining in the field of academics as well. To name few of them, we had Cyber Olympiad, in which we had first 5 rank holders in the city from DPS Allahabad. I would love you all, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is just for the children. Each clap will boost a morale of each of my child. So please do not be miser when it comes to clap for your own kids. Please. Likewise, we have UNESCO, and one of my child, class 9th, she topped on India level. So we are proud of her, and she has made us proud. See, I'm not very happy because the kind of applause I'm listening, see, the intensity of the clap should be such so that the child sitting at the home must listen to it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Again in NTSC, our students, it was on international basis, and we stood 63rd rank, international basis. It's not easy. So please. Likewise, Science Olympiad, Maths Olympiad, there are so many competitions. If I start listing them, it would be too long for me. So I cut it down here, but just to sum up that we are taking care of every field and we are pushing our children so that they reach to the zenith. Recently, rather today it has been finalized, one of my students studying in class 9th, Stavi Sthana, she participated in Penta Grand International and the Greater Noida Horse Show, and she bagged there 8 medals. 8 medals. Out of these 8 medals, 4 are gold medals, 3 silver, and 2 bronze. My mathematics goes wrong, it is 9. I'm sorry. She has bagged 9 medals. And I am really very proud of, on behalf of her, that she has made DPS Allahabad as the best riding school in country. We are the best riding school in country. So we have every reason to be proud of, and we are really very proud of Stavi. Wherever you are, you can also be very proud of yourself, as we are. Likewise, one of my child, Kartikeya Narayan Tandon, he brought laurels to the school in the field of swimming. It was CBSE zonal level competition held at Calcutta, and he bought all the medals and overall championship. Please be generous. And again it was the national level CBSE championship, and there also he proved it was the national level CBSE championship, and there also he proved that he is one of the best swimmers and bagged 1 gold and 1 bronze there as well. So,
which will be from the field, like 100 meters, 200 meters, and javelin throw, discus throw. So all the events pertaining to sports, that would all be there, and roughly speaking to you, 500 girls across from all 143 DPSs, they would be coming here in DPS Allahabad. Therefore, I request you all to make your presence and boost their morale.
you all the parents for something that I personally think that you as a parent should do. Generally it is done during the parenting, but I found this point of time the most genuine to share my views with you. Respected parents, I have an appeal to you. Kindly see to it that you spend half an hour to 1 hour with your son and daughter without failing every day. Without fail. Please see to it that you spend your quality time, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, between half an hour to 1 hour. If you are sitting with your child, then probably you will get the best from DPS. We are putting our best, but there has to be somebody at the home to see to it as to what is being done in the school. What has been done, what is the homework, and what a child is supposed to do. Let me tell you, what happens in fact, the child does not do because there is no check at the home, and here in the school when the child comes, when the child is asked as to why this thing has not been done, then the child does not respond properly. So he finds a way out. He finds a way out. What? That at the home nobody is going to take care of him. So with the result what happens, that the child develops developing a neglecting tendency. He used to neglect a thing. And in case if you are sparing just 10 minutes, 15 minutes of yours, and the child knows that Mummy or Papa is waiting for me and will be sitting to ask me as to what was the work that was to be done by me, whether I have done it or not. So there will be a check, and that will help your child and that will help you as well. So that is my sincere most request to you. Please start giving your valuable time to the ones to whom I think probably you love the most. And somebody for whom you have the most liking, I think it will be difficult for you to spare 10-15 minutes. Now, very often, whenever it has been happening from the last 2 years, I've been observing it, that whenever the session is starting, the admissions are open, then I used to listen a lot of buzz in the city that something happening to the DPS, this banner is going, that is happening, this is happening. Please, why this happens, I have done the analysis and I have reached to the conclusion. The people, those who are scared of DPS, they start talking this nonsense. Please do not have a faith in them. I am the man from the DPS society representing DPS Allahabad as a principal. I don't think that you will be needing any other proof more than this. And above that, in case if you have something in your mind, please log on to the DPS Society's website, DPS Allahabad's website, and find it out. Before you talk to anybody, please get into the depth. While this is not a point to be talked on this, but I thought I must speak to my mind, because very often I have been listening. Every day I have been listening, getting a call, sir, I have listened this. I said, if you have listened this, please verify it. Then they said, I am verifying from you only. I said, you please log on to the website, and from there you find it out. So I am happy to be here with this wonderful audience sitting in front of me, and now I wish the program to be proceeded, and you people must enjoy this enthralling evening. Thank you very much for having a patience and having a patient hearing. Thank you very much.
To the rugged plains of Haldighati, you are going to embark on a journey that will amaze you as you witness the talent of these very young scholars. Our hearts and applause will reflect the pride of the young prep graduates as they receive their degree, the first one in a long line of many more that will come. Today is a very special day, a red letter day, not only for our young and proud scholars who have already collected their results, but also for our very young scholars.
Good evening everyone to Bachelor to Academic, marking their first step into the world of academics and education. We wish them all success. The first to be awarded the degree is Master Abhidre Agarwal. The next degree goes to Master Alave Goel. The next degree Master Arafat Ali Shahid. Goes to Miss Aratrika Yadav. The next degree goes to Master Ashish Verma. Maheshwari. The next degree goes to Miss Divyanshi Jaiswal. Next degree goes to Miss Master Harsh Miss Baurangi Agarwal. The next degree goes to Master Harshvardhan Singh. The next degree goes to Miss Johnny Marshall. The next degree goes to Master Mayank Malhotra. Now I request Miss Anisha Jaiswal to please come and give away the degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Anisha Jaiswal. Now I request Mr. Om Anand to come and take the degree. The next degree goes to Miss Sanvi Kumar. The next degree goes to Miss Siddhi Agarwal. The next degree goes to Miss Sneha Roy. To Master Swayam Agarwal. The next degree goes to Miss Chuba Sod. The next degree goes to Master Vedansh Gupta. The next degree goes to Master Yash Jaiswal. The next degree is awarded to Miss Srishti Dwivedi to please come and give away the degree. The next degree goes to Master Anish Bharti. The next degree goes to Master Ayush Chan. Next degree goes to Miss Amrita Jaiswal. The next degree goes to Master Ankit Yadav. Next degree goes to Master Ayush Singh. Next degree goes to Master Bodhisattva Rudra. Next degree goes to Miss Jasmine Singh. Next degree goes to Master Kanish Bharti. Next degree goes to Master Kumar Dharam Yogi. Next degree goes to Miss Meghna Srivastav. Next degree is awarded to Master Prahad Jaiswal. Next degree goes to Master Pratap Vijay Singh. Next degree goes to Master Pratap Vijay Singh. Next degree goes to Master Rishi Shukla. Next degree goes to Master Sankalp Gupta. Now may I request Miss Vanshini goes to Master Siddharth Singh. The next degree goes to Master Utkarsh Yadav. Next degree goes to Miss Varsha.
पीछे से आया हाँ लाइट कहाँ आ गया
सुनाती हूँ आज आज मैं तुम सबको हमारे रतनपुरा की कहानी सुनाती हूँ। अरे वही अभांग। ये कौन होते हैं? अरे इनको दानव कहते हैं, दानव। वो क्या करते थे रानी? वो हर अमावस की रात को आकर लड़के को पान पचाते थे और एक बच्चे को उठा कर ले जाते थे।
लक्ष्मी की? नहीं नहीं सरकार, आज चंकी और हेरी के घर की बारी है। उनकी बारी तो अगली अमावस पर है।
अरे सामने
ठीक है, उसको लेकर आओ।
उनकी बारी में तो पूरा गांव एकजुट हो गया। वो क्यों रानी? वो इसलिए लक्ष्मी तो सबके प्रिय लक्ष्मी की चर्चा न हो। सभी के सुख दुख में वो बराबर हिस्सेदार थे। अरे तभी तो उनके साथ पूरा रतनपुरा झूम उठता था।
रतनपुर है कौन जुम्न और लक्ष्मी जी प्रीत रंग लाई नन्ही सी जुम्न और लक्ष्मी जी प्रीत रंग लाई नन्हे से नन्हे से चुटकी जगमगाई वो जगमगाई वो पत्रियां नाजुक नाजुक उंगलियां तोड़ आई कली दो पत्तियां खिलने भी न पाई थी तोड़ दे उस बागीचे में दानव आया रे ओ दानव आया रे साए से दीवार मेरी अंबरन की बाहों की साए से दीवार मेरी अंबरन की बाहों की आया एक तूफान नया दानव डर के भाग गया बादल ऐसे गरजा रे दानव डर के भागा रे दानव डर के भागा ढोल मादल बजने लगे बादल ऐसे बाजे रे लाखों मिलके नाचे रतनपुर वाली की रतनपुर वाली की रतनपुर वाली की रतनपुर वाली की रतनपुर वाली
One man stood against them and fought for his independence and his heritage. His bravery and valor knew no limits. As the trumpets blared and the bugle sounded, Maharana Pratap sailed forth in the battlefield, a lone warrior, daring to defy a power that
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आपकी उनकी ताबीर होगी वही चली आ रही है वही चली आ रही है मुगलों की सेना आगे आगे लगाए गौओं की कतार उनके साथ है दादाई तीरंदाज और उनकी अगुवाई कर रहे हैं आपके अपने राजा मान सिंह कैसे बचेगा महाराणा कैसे
डमरूधारी एक छोटी सी तुर्कों की सेना के आगे भयभीत हो गए। सौगंध उठा के कहता हूं इस खड़क की, चित्तौड़ स्वतंत्र था, चित्तौड़ स्वतंत्र है और चित्तौड़ स्वतंत्र ही रहेगा। और शाहजहां मुगल सरगमों को भी आगे नहीं लगा पाएंगे।
तो ठीक है महाराणा आपकी आज्ञा से प्रारंभ करता हूं मैं युद्ध का निनाद सजवाता हूं राजा मान सिंह संवाद लेकर विजय का आलम परा विजय हासिल हुई है हम जीत गए हल्दी घाटी अब पीली नहीं रही बल्कि राजपूतों के खून से लाल हो गई रथ होकर भाग गया अपने आप को वीर कहलाने वाला महाराणा प्रताप। वाह राजा मान सिंह वाह बड़ी वीरता दिखाई 1000 तातानियों को लेकर आपने सिर्फ 1300 राजपूत योद्धाओं को हलाक कर दिया बड़ी वीरता दिखाई।
सुभान अल्लाह राजा मान सिंह सुभान अल्लाह नस्र मिन अल्लाह व फतहुन करीब या अल्लाह हो या फतह।
मरहम लगा दीजिए ठीक और आज्ञा का पालन करते हुए
If music be the food of love, then play on. Taking a cue from these immortal lines, let us now fill this evening with music and dance and vibrant colors. A traditional dance bihu, straight from the tea gardens of Assam. This bamboo dance reinforces cultures will always prevail. India is known as a country with diversity, but the common theme in all its epics, culture, state has been the victory of good over evil. Be it Ramayana, Mahabharata, or a simple tale of an Assamese village told by this breathtaking performance. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the What a truly amazing performance! Banks of river Ganges to the blood-soaked plains of Haldighati. Let's have another round of applause for conclusion. As this evening ends, we would like to thank our director, Mrs. Sonu Singh Raghav, for having arranged such a wonderful evening. Her presence has always inspired not only the students but also the staff to reach new heights of excellence. We also thank our principal sir for always providing us with solutions to the constant problems that kept coming up with. So your support is invaluable. And thank you all of you for having been such a lovely audience. Thank you so much. Thank you all of you and a very good evening.